Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo i-WTV okhuluma nani uyo uProfessor CM Likhuleni inyanga muni inyanga kuti kota inyanga yakuthi tusisa inyanga yakubhashisha nqondo ndiri avuxeni Giyani avuxeni Bushbuckridge avuxeni Maputo bonjo nimfushela Zimbabwe nimfushela Namibia kiri dumelang ka hare ga Botswana dumelang Lesotho hey Africa as a whole bafowethu ngithi peace always love you. I am with this guy, Black KB. Indoda okwenza izinto zenzakale, indoda enikhipela amaqiniso, indoda ekwazi ukupatreka inyanga, enomuntu onzima kabi ngithi nginomuntu ngiyadlala hayilwa kulo baba lo, but akusho njalo ngisho ukuthi bafowethu ngithi akwenzeke kwamanye amadoda kuyenzeka la kaLikhuleni sithi Merry Christmas.
Siyabonga Prof. Yeah, thanks for that intro. Prof.
Yes.
All right, we all know all those things, we spoke about those things, but this guy we haven't spoken about, and I'll reveal the story maybe in the next episode, but we all know with Ikati, it's an issue. People say, you know, Lentelo just jumped into my yard, and he hammered next to my door, he try, hammer, and this and that happened after Lentole. We all know Uguti, most of the time is being used for Butshakatsi. What I just want to understand, Uguti, why do they choose a cat specifically? Nakhona if bazoyithumela ukuthi izwenza into zobutshakatsi by thaya kanjani, like what do they do, what do they use before bayithumela?
Hey, ukuthi basebenzisa inabathakathi brakhebi inokujula kakhulu. But let me tell you something, maybe nguthathe ngibuyisele kancane emuva. Ngikhumbula mangi ngo1997 mangikhumbula kahle bengubaba uMalachi in Bushbuckridge. Baba Malachi, may his soul rest in peace, akasekho. So ubaba Malachi is a prophet who was teaching me ilo kanjani ukubona without booms.
Okay.
So one day we were fasting, sise entabeni kunentaba ekuthiwa iGoromane. Abantu ababuye eMpumalanga they know this mountain. Akulalwa noma ubani. That mountain ebusuku noma undlula kiyo you won't be able to pass because of ziyabuya. So masilele lapho makufika labantu abadala bathi kimi no yazi niyehla manje wehlele phansi, there is a river there. Mangifika lapha umoya wengithatha ungilahlela la labantu mfula nawe uya maybe 100 meter away, bathi kimi man ngalesihlahla ngiyakuvikela labantu they won't be able to see you. Ngithi mina why should size la uthi kimi lo muntu okhuluma nami no man yazini ngifuna ukuzokufundisa ukuthi how a witchcraft be performed before they go to target someone. Okay, mangifika lapho ngiyema brakebi. Mangifika brakebi, these people are using petrol, diesel. Not how come they use petrol and diesel, but no, they used to bath with it so that they will be able ukungena noma ikuphi. How come? So iyangifundisa lento mangifika lapha ngibona izinja, ngibona amakati, ngibona inyoka, uyangizwisisa nje, but they are using huge things ikhova lesi besikhuluma ngazo zikhona la. They bayageza labantu is around +1 so that they can start flying, they can start sending izinto zonke lezi. And then ngathi mina okay, what did but laba yiba ba destroyer impilo zabantu. Umsebenzi wakho wena ukuthi uzokhipha labantu into ezifakwe labantu la. So ukuthi wena mawuyobethela umuzi noma uyoqinisa umuzi sebenzisa lokuna they won't be able to destroy lo muzi lo because of ufake nezinto abazisebenzisa masifika zobashisa zibachoko babuyele. That's why omunye umuntu uzothi mawufika athe ngothole umuzi wakho ugcwele ngamanzi so uyabona ukuthi obekezile ebusuku athakatha akakhona ukungena athi hayi ngibona ikati lakho ngibona amakati la ekhaya lakho ngithi ngoba ngithe mangisebenza ngafaka ithambo lekati so that angakwazi ukuthi angene ngekati la ekhaya angakwazi ukungena ngethambo lenyoka la ekhaya ngoba ngisebenzise lezi zinto azisebenzisayo so masifika ziyashayana angisho lezi sesifakwe izinto zokushaya umuntu ajika khona ukubile but the person definitely shows or confessor ekseni ikati lethakathwa ngalo brakb 100% sure ngikhumbula ngelinye ilanga nami ngifika la enkangala mangifika 2012 ngathola ikati ebathroom ngaze uyabona umuzi wami njani ebathroom lihlele ebhavini la sigezela khona akunamanzi bona ukuthi maybe sizothi linqule la lahlala sabathe siyaqosha liqosha man next masithi ngathimoto into izongikwatela kami engingayazi ngayifuyanga what I did ngene endumbeni ngathatha limit engitshela ngayo ehlangane nayo ngayifafaza mangifafaza yaphuma ikati yalihla phansi ngizobathi kushone someone to lo muntu angithumelele ngekati kahlahle uye yes
so nama story ukuthi lento le cannot be used to heal, it's only for evil.
Yes, yeah, it's true.
Is it?
It's true. Ngeke uyisebenzise basho ikati ufuna ukuhlabela umuntu uthi aphumelele cha.
But balthena kanjani from a normal cat to or ayikhulunywa?
Hayi brakb ngifuna ukutshela manga labantu bane technology ukundlula labantu basebhenki nje izinto abadom ngayo ukuthi bayakhe babe nale technology nginayo because mina ngeke ukuthi baza abathakathi ukuthi kunokubathakathana no KP wabangayenzi technology yabo le ngalendlela engayo bakwazi ukungena la kunemali khona bathatha imali bahambe bayophinga dani ukuthi uloku ulwa nokuthi mina ngiye phansi they have a technology, those people. Into isuku ibashaya ukuthi isuku ibahlule le technology mase ifika kimi mina nabanye ezangoma bayakwazi ukuvika lokho ingaka umuntu mangabe somshaya kahle umshaya angakwazi nokuphefumula
sizoyeka lapho ke. All right, siyabonga.
Thank you so much brakb.